Namaste to all. I am Shilpi Chu, your yoga teacher. Thank you for joining Kids Yoga session today. I welcome kids of all the ages and parents too. We are going to do Surya Namaskar practice using some breathing movements and the power dance. So let's start Surya Namaskar. Let's start Surya Namaskar step by step. Start the Surya Namaskar by standing erect, keep your feet together and join your palm in a prayer or Namaskar pose. Take deep breaths to regulate your breathing. Inhale and raise your arms above your head in upward salute position. Tilt slightly back and arch your back. Look up at your hands. Exhale slowly and bend forward, facing your palms on either side of your feet and your forehead touching your knees. Inhale and take your right leg back in a big backward step. Keep your hands firmly in place and your left foot between your hands. Tilt your head up. With a slow exhalation, move your left leg back towards your right foot. Keep your arms straight. Raise your hips and bring your head close to the floor. Inhale deeply. Your body should form an inverted V. Do not bend your knees. Exhale and lower the body to the floor, that only the forehead, chest, hands, knees and feet touches the floor. Inhale and lift your chest into the cobra pose and keep your arms straight and tilt your head. Exhale and slowly raise your hips to come back to the inverted V. Inhale and move your right leg forward, placing your right foot between your hands. Tilt your head up. Exhale slowly and rise up, bringing your left foot forward towards your right foot. Inhale and raise your arms above your head in the upward salute pose. Tilt slightly backward. Exhale slowly, bring down your hands to your chest in the prayer pose. Relax.